Chapter 11. Communication. Get set. Have you ever noticed these signs on the road? Identify the signs and write what they mean in the space provided. Devices or methods used to talk or to send messages from one end of the world to the other or from one person to another are called means of communication. Human beings need to talk to express feelings and thoughts and to exchange ideas. It is not always possible to personally visit the people with whom we want to keep in touch. However, we can send and receive message through different means. In other words, we can communicate with them. Communication also helps people to ask for help in times of distress. Long ago, people sent smoke signals or beat drums to communicate with people some distance away. Messages were also sent through pigeons, which were trained to deliver letters. In the modern age, there are varied means of communication such as newspapers, telephones, mobile phones, television, and the internet. They play a very important role in our day-to-day activities. Did you know? Sher Shah Suri is credited with starting the first postal service. Modern means of communication. The means of communication may be divided into two. Means of personal communication. Means of mass communication. Means of personal communication. 1. Postal communication. When communication is done by means of post, it is postal communication. Letters are the most common and the most popular means of this. Now, postcards, inland letters, stamped envelopes or aerograms are used. All these are available from any post office. To ensure that a letter is delivered at its correct destination, the address and the PIN, postal index number, must be correct. Every city has a unique PIN number which cannot be repeated. Urgent letters and important parcels may be sent by speed post or by courier. It is to be noted that courier is private service. Did you know? India shut down its telegraph services in July 2013. Telegraph services in India date back to 1850, when the first experimental telegraph line was established between Calcutta and Diamond Harbour. 2. Telecommunication. Communication over long distance by means of telephone lines is called telecommunication. Telephone, it is the fastest means of communication. Direct calls on STD and ISD can be made anywhere in the world. Cellular phones are mobile wireless phones. We may carry them wherever we want. Now some cellular phones have many other facilities. We can click pictures, shoot and watch movies on them. We can record the sounds and even play games. Such phones are called smartphones. Did you know? STD stands for subscriber trunk dialing. It is used for telephone calls between different cities. ISD stands for international subscriber dialing and is used for telephone call between different countries. Satellite phones are further upgradation of the mobile phones. But because they are very expensive and due to security reasons, they are not very popular still. Fax, facsimile automated Xerox. It is an electronic machine that takes pictures of a page and sends it to other fax machines by electronic signals. This can be done within a matter of minutes. Email. Email means mails sent electronically. It is sent through a computer. Any message can be sent in an instant through email. Any information on any topic can be collected very fast. Means of mass communication. Means of mass communication are collectively known as mass media. Mass media sends any message to a large number of people at the same instant. Various examples of mass media are newspapers, magazines, radio and television. Newspapers and magazines. Newspapers bring us information about the various happenings all over the world. It can convey any message in any part of the world. Magazines bring us the filtered news on various topics in a concise form. Bring us the filtered news on various topics in a concise form. Besides news, they contain stories, poems, and other articles. Radio and television. Television and radio have one big advantage over the printed world. They can be understood even by any layman or illiterate person. Radio is the most popular means of mass communication as it is not very expensive. Means of mass media provide both information and entertainment. Satellite. Satellites are used for long-distance communication. Live programs are relayed through them. They are used for weather forecasts. Any match or any program being played in any part of the world can be watched at the same time. Internet. It's very hard to imagine a world, maybe 10 to 15 years ago, when computers did not play such a dominant role in normal life. Now, computers all over the world are connected through an intricate network called Internet. How animals communicate. Animals might not be able to speak, but they also need to communicate. In fact, animals have their own special ways of communicating. Whales sing, wolves howl, frogs croak, birds chirp, and dogs wag their tails and bark. Animals and birds often rely on nonverbal forms of communication, such as calls, or non-vocal outbursts, like the slap of a dolphin's tail on the water. Ants use chemical cues to help guide their movements, as well as for other activities like telling a friend from an enemy or connecting with new friends. Bees dance when they find nectar. Thus, other bees get to know about the source of nectar. Chimpanzees greet each other by touching hands. Elephants show affection by entwining their trunks. Gorillas stick out their tongues to show danger. Kangaroos thump their hind legs to warn others of danger. Whales leap out of water repeatedly to send messages to other whales. Summary. Communication is the process by which two or more people, or even animals, exchange ideas, information, thoughts, and feelings. There are two main means of communication, personal and mass. The modes of personal communication are telephone, letters, fax, and emails. The modes of mass communication are television, radio, and newspapers. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. The process of sending and receiving messages is called A. Expression. B. Communication. C. Information. 2. Which is the most popular means of communication? A. Postcard. B. Letter. C. Telephone. 3. An electronic machine is used to send text and graphics. A. Fax machine. B. Telephone. C. Radio. 4. For listening to the speech of our Prime Minister, we use A. Satellite. B. Radio. C. Newspaper. 5. An email can be sent through A. Computer. B. Postcard. C. Newspaper. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Every city has a unique which cannot be repeated. 2. Is the fastest means of communication. 3. Satellite phones are further upgradation of the 4. Are used for long-distance communication. 5. Has revolutionized the world of communication. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. There are two main means of communication, personal and mass. 2. Sher Shah Suri is credited with starting the first postal service. 3. STD stands for subscriber trunk dialing. It is used for telephone calls between different cities. 4. Most newspapers carry a variety of information. 5. SMS stands for long messaging services. D. Match the following. 1. Mass communication. 2. Letter. 3. Computer. 4. Telecommunication. E. Answer the following questions. 1. What is communication? 2. How does a letter reach from one place to the other? 3. Describe the communication system of the old times. 4. Write a short note on the internet. 5. How has satellite communication helped us? Activity. Telephones have been an important means of communication till date. However, they have seen a lot of development in their design, working, etc. Collect the pictures of different types of telephones, any 5, and paste them in a scrapbook. Select any one of the communication means available in the modern day and speak a few sentences about the same in the class. Life skill. Always switch off the lights when you leave a room. This helps to save electricity.